Okay guys, so this is the trade that I took today on Nasdaq E-mini futures. It was a 1 to 2.85, so let's get into it. So we got the news on the tariffs, and like I said in my last video, if you didn't see it, you should go watch that. And this is what happened over the weekend. And then we open up here, we have this huge weekend, I guess, gap, you can say. And of course my intentions were to come up, and you can see I took a short, and that was against my bias, but there's a reason for that, because I'm going to go down into the 15-minute time frame here, and we can see, right, we had highs and lows from London session right here. We had lows, relatively equal lows right here. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, we had targets down here, but that was basically it. ES, we kind of had the same thing here, right over, where is it, here, relatively equal highs right here, and relatively equal lows, right, these lows around here. And the reason why I ended up trading against my bias was we had seen this sweep of liquidity right here. So let's go on to the 5-minute. So we see this sweep of liquidity right as market opens, comes up here, sweeps this liquidity, comes down, and we had news. Actually, right here, let's search it out. So we had news here at 10, and I actually went right into the trade right before news. You can see, where is it? Right here, I took the trade at 3 minutes before the news. So that was another, I guess, mistake you could say. But it ended up working in our favor still, but that's another mistake you could see. The things that we did well here were, so this, right, power of 3 again, like the past couple trades I've been taking. We see right here, it's literally a perfect example of it right here. We had this accumulation, manipulation up, down with this huge displacement, and then retrace to the fair value gap. I mean, today was literally free bands. Yeah, we come to this fair value gap right here. I'm entering right here. I have screenshots which I'll be putting on the screen right now. So yeah, that was when I entered the trade, and since I was at school, I didn't really catch it that early, and I ended up catching late move. So I didn't really get this exact move here, but pretty close to it, right? I still, knew what was happening. I still getting better. I'm getting better every day. So that's basically what I saw here. And then on the 5-minute, and then we go down to the 1 minute. See here, we had, right, this the same 1 minute fair value gap, and I guess, right, I just entered right here. Once we see that push up into the 1 minute fair value gap, I guess I could have waited for a 1 minute, breaker structure, which would have been right here. Entered off here, so I could have entered right off of this candlestick here. Stops above, I guess, that high maybe, and then targeted, right, whatever we want to target down here. We got a final take profit over here, or we could, whatever. Yeah, that concludes today's trade recap, and thank you all for coming in. And yeah, new video should be coming out sometime this week about my portfolio and in the stock market and stuff, and yeah, put you guys on some games. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, see you guys.